So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway.
What's up, guys? We're gonna jump right into this tutorial. My hair was all pretty and curly. I showed you guys how I had used my Long and Luxe curl enhancing smoothie and the results. It was so gorgeous, it was so pretty. But then I started trying to do a hair tutorial and it was a fail, so therefore my hair is kind of all over the place now. But I have a new style that I'm going to show you guys. We're going to start off by braiding our hair. So I'm just going to do a part down the middle here. Well, not the middle, but off-centered. So I can get started on these cornrows, okay? I'm not gonna braid it all the way down to the bottom. Because believe it or not, I'm taking this out. It might make it overnight, but I'm sure I'll probably end up taking it out. I couldn't help while I was braiding this. I couldn't help but think about Nipsey Hussle. With all the news and everything that's going on right now. Such a sad story. But yeah, I'm gonna make this into 2 braids because we don't need like a whole lot of braids in our head. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to do them anyway, so what am I doing with this parting, y'all? What am I doing? This is stressing me out. Okay guys, so my braids are done. And I'm going to wait about 5 minutes with this on my head. I feel like it'll, you know, soak up some of that product. And, you know, just really lay my hair down real pretty as well. So I'm going to give this a little time. And then we're going to come back and finish the style, okay? Okay guys, so now that we have our cornrows in place, I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to put these into a ponytail. Now I'm going to reach over here. Grab my clip-ins. The clip-ins that I'll be using today are my better length clip-ins. I'm just trying to decide how I want to do this. So I'll start with 2 clips. Clips. Nearby. Now I have my bobby pins. Can you see this? Yes or no? You just have to really be able to see what's going on underneath here, you know? You have to fluff it a lot. That was the mistake I made when I last did this tutorial. I didn't fluff it enough. And it just didn't have the same effect that it had previously, you know? But we have these cornrows here to help us to keep them in place with our bobby pins. So they're helping out like in a major way. You can add more hair if you would like. I didn't go for too huge of a look. Or you could simply just put it in a ponytail. I know some people are gonna tell me, you know, they're not doing all that. They love to tell me that, especially on Instagram. So for those of you who are gonna do all that, this is what we're gonna do, you know? But this is how it looks. And again, I was saying that you guys could do a ponytail if you would like, or you could do this style here. I always like how much more monstrous it looks whenever you do it like this. I mean, if I put it in the ponytail, I still could have like taken pieces and pinned it to the braid in order to make the ponytail appear larger. But I like doing it this way. I just play with it, and as I play with it, it gets larger and larger, you know. I could maybe even go in some of these areas and pop, because I have two that have two clips on them. Like do that right here in the middle, like in between the area where I put the pin, where I put the bobby pins, where I lifted the hair in order to pin it, because it could fill that space in a little bit more, that gap right there that I have. So I added my clips that had two clips, clip-ins that had two clips, I meant. And just make sure that those bobby pins stay in. And we're good to go. We've got our edges laid. We've got some beautiful braids. We've got some beautiful clip-ins. I didn't even show you guys my makeup. I was playing around with my eyeshadow. What do you guys think of this look? This is so glam. Like, I just love it. So yeah, that wraps up this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think of it down in the comment section. Give me a big old thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this look. And if there's anything that you guys would like to say to me, you know, you can comment down below and I will comment back. But thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you guys enjoyed this style, subscribe.